新年快樂，恭喜發財 Happy Chinese New Year! Oh, so as you probably already know, we have been working on the new series, Hong Kong 10 Best Hikes. But you won't know as how do we came up with those 10 hikes. So how we do it?
Well, if you've ever been on the web on a search for Hong Kong's best hikes, you'll see there's pages and pages of people making their recommendations. But what we wanted to do was to define the 10 best hikes, and the way that we have done that is very scientific. What we've done,
Yeah, I agree.
is we asked 3 groups of people. Firstly, we asked you, our viewers, what your opinion was. We also went to experts, people who know Hong Kong's hikes very well, who've been here a long time, who've pretty well done all of them rather than just their favourite ones, and could then give us what they thought were the best. Yeah. And we did a scrub of the web as well and looked through all of the other articles who've tried to do it and saw what was most popular. We gave them different weightings.
Yep.
We can't tell you our secret formula, but we gave them all different weightings, and we put them all into a database and came up with what we feel is probably the definitive Hong Kong 10 best hikes. Now we're going to do 2 things.
Yep.
The first is we will be doing a series of 10 videos counting down from number 10 all the way down to Hong Kong's top hike. That is as a result of this poll. So not just the top 10, but in order 10 through to 1. What else are we going to be doing, George?
And also ebook. We're going to do ebook, right?
Ebook and a print book as well, hopefully. Now, these may not be out until after the series is finished, because as we do them, we're taking pictures. I'm going to be having a DSLR with me on these trips. I know it's drone and phone, but this is just for the book. And you, what will you be doing?
I'm going to go analog, and I will be shooting Polaroid.
You may not know this, but George already has one book that has sold out in terms of his Polaroids. He's a Polaroid demon, and we're going to be including some of those in the book. So we're going to have what will be quite an interactive book. It'll be a place which you can give to a friend, tell them to do those 10 hikes. There'll be a place in the book for them to write their notes and what they did, and hopefully tick off the 10 as they go through it. The ebook will be free of charge, and you'll be able to order the print edition. Yeah. All starting next week, right?
Next week. Stay tuned
on Drone and Phone.